Sustainable, safe and secure logistics systems and supply chains provide an answer to the growing concern on environmental and social problems related to logistics, while maintaining or enhancing profitability. This requires fully integrated supply networks, in which logistics service providers, shippers, and authorities closely cooperate. In particular, shippers, as the owners of the goods in transit, play a key role. Their decisions on product configuration, after all, determine what to transport. The key issues are logistics as a key factor enabling circular economy, measuring and minimizing emissions, improving load unit standardization and modularization, facilitating consolidation, bundling and collaboration, and facilitating trade, while keeping or improving security in EU borders. Looking ahead to the future, these are our goals. In 2020, we'll have realized full alignment of economics, environmental, social, and security goals. Around 2030, integrated decision-making in end-to-end supply chain should be realized. In 2040, we'll have safe and secure supply chains for the circular economy, all culminating in 2050, when physical internet has become our new reality. To reach these goals, more than 30 varying projects and research studies have been carried out. Let's go over some of them in detail. To support the realization of the EU emission targets, COFRET has examined methodologies for the accurate calculation of carbon emissions, considering all modes of freight transport in the supply chain, and make recommendations for an improved and harmonized future approach. The project partners work to provide industry, shippers, receivers, and logistics providers with the opportunity to remove the uncertainty over calculating the carbon footprint of freight transport. The Modelushka project proposes to use a new framework of interconnected logistics, especially designed for open resource sharing, notably thanks to open standard on load units, real-time identification, and routing through open facilities. In this framework, potentially all goods are encapsulated in smart, modular, eco-friendly, and standard units loads, and are handled, stored, and transported as best fit in these unit loads through shared facilities and across open networks. The project ensures a global synchronization with concurrent projects in the USA and Canada within the International Physical Internet Initiative, and pave the way for a common and early market implementation at the intercontinental level. The CORE project is about protecting and securing the global supply chain and reducing its vulnerability to disruption. CORE will demonstrate that resilient supply chain solutions can be done while at the same time offering tangible benefits to involved stakeholders. Key objectives are end-to-end supply chain security, fostering standardization, harmonization, and mutual recognition, and controlled global visibility of security risks and other supply chain threats and their impact on supply chain flows around the world. One by one, these projects contribute pieces to a beautiful puzzle. Together, we're developing new logistics and supply chain concepts and realizing innovations for a more competitive and sustainable industry.